Congratulations! You've now covered the basics of using Pandas. In Chapter 1, you saw how to subset and sort data frames and how to add new columns. In Chapter 2, you saw several methods for aggregating and grouping data to calculate summary statistics. In Chapter 3, you saw how indexing and slicing allows for simpler subsetting. In Chapter 4, you saw how to visualize a data frame and how to read data from and write data to CSV files. I hope you're convinced that Pandas is a powerful tool to analyze tabular data. In fact, Pandas is so powerful that there are many features that we didn't get around to discussing in this course. To begin with, everything in this course involved a single data frame, but sometimes you need to join or merge several data frames together. Reading from CSV files barely scratches the surface of the options for importing data into Pandas. You can also perform very sophisticated exploratory data analysis using Pandas. Congratulations, and have fun learning!